How to copy signature from one document to another. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy signature from one document to another. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are many ways you can do this. So first, let us head over to this document which has a signature in. So what you can do here is first, let's head over to another document and add a signature line. So let me just add a signature line here, or that might not even be necessary. So let's say that here is some document. Let me just add a few details or just a few text here. Now let's say that I want a signature right here, that is at the end of this. So if I want to add a signature from another document, what I'll have to do is I'll have to copy some part including the signature. So let's say that I copied this much, I head over here, and then I paste it. Now what I can do is I can simply remove this part here which I didn't originally need, and after I do that I can then save this document, and that's basically how you copy a signature from one document to another. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye bye. Take care.